What if I told you that you could become an investor in the next 10 minutes? Yes, you, right now. You don't need a fancy degree or a secret password. You don't need thousands of dollars. You just need $100 and the decision to start. Most people think investing is complicated and only for the rich. That is a myth. The biggest mistake is not starting. Today, we are going to crush that excuse. We are going to take your first $100 and put it to work. This small step is the most important one on your journey to building wealth. The big idea is simple. Start smart. Start small. You don't need to be an expert or risk a lot to begin. Let's talk about your first stop, a brokerage account. It sounds complicated, but it's not. It's just an account that lets you buy and sell investments, like stocks. Think of it like a bank account, but it can hold pieces of companies. You can open one online in less than 10 minutes. Have your name, address, and social security number ready. It's a simple, secure process. Once it's open, link your bank and move money over. Choose a reputable online brokerage. Many have no fees and no minimums. Click Open an account and follow the steps. It's easier than setting up social media. Link checking, transfer $100, and in 1 to 3 business days, it's ready. This is where fractional shares shine. You don't need a whole share. You can buy just a slice. Log in, search the stock symbol, and enter Buy $100 worth. The system does the rest. Congratulations. You now own a piece of a global company. You are an investor. It is that simple. With just $100, you can learn the process without risking your life savings. High fees and minimums used to block people out. Today, apps open the gates. You can open for free and buy tiny pieces of big companies. Your $100 bill is your ticket to entry. It's time to stop thinking and start doing. Let's begin. Buying one company is cool, but it can be risky. With ETFs, one share gives you tiny pieces of many companies. Diversification lowers risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. If a few stocks do poorly, the rest can balance things out. This is how smart investors build wealth over time. A popular ETF, VOO, tracks the S&P 500, the 500 largest U.S. companies. Can't afford a full share? Buy $100 as a fraction. Your money spreads across all 500. Don't want to pick? A Robo-Advisor can do it for you. Answer a few questions about age, goals, and risk. It builds and manages a diversified portfolio. It's simple, hands-off, and great if you're busy or overwhelmed. Many have low minimums, sometimes as little as $5. Trade-off: fees. Expect a small annual percentage or a small monthly subscription. On $100, a 0.25% fee is just 25 cents a year. You're paying for convenience, and for many beginners, it's worth it. Sign up, deposit $100, answer the questions, and it allocates across stock and bond ETFs for you. A young investor might see a stock-heavy mix. The app rebalances automatically. Fees are small. Just remember they're there. Whether you choose an ETF yourself or a robo-advisor, your first $100 can be diversified in minutes. So far, we've used taxable accounts. Now, a superpower, the Roth IRA. It's an account you open for your future. The Roth part is the magic, tax-free growth. You contribute after-tax money. Say, your first $100. Let it grow for decades. Withdrawals in retirement? Zero taxes on the gains. Absolutely nothing. Tax-free growth. Open a Roth IRA at major brokerages just like a regular account. Select Roth IRA. Be 18 with earned income to contribute. You can start with any amount. Starting with $100 when you're young is planting a seed that can become a redwood. Yeah, it's that simple. Inside the Roth, buy a broad ETF and let time do the heavy lifting for decades. The most important part of investing isn't picking the perfect stock. It's not timing the market. It is consistency. That first $100 is your first step. Step 2. Set up automatic deposits so your money invests without you thinking. You can start incredibly small. $10 a week, $5, weekly or monthly. Every brokerage, robo, and micro-investing app allows this. It takes about 2 minutes to set up. Choose the amount, choose the day, turn it on. That's it. Every week, money leaves your bank and lands in your investment account, ready to work. This automates good behavior. No willpower required. The strategy is called dollar cost averaging. Invest the same amount on a schedule. Sometimes you buy high, sometimes low. Over time, it averages out and reduces stress. Turn on dividend reinvestment so payouts automatically buy more shares. Your investments pay you. That buys more investments, and the cycle compounds on autopilot. Investing involves risk. Values go up and down. That's normal. Don't invest money you'll need soon. Think 5 years or more. Fees are leaks in your bucket. Over years, they drain returns. Use zero-commission brokers and low-cost ETFs. Aim under 0.10% expense ratio. High fees turn $7 gains into $5. Low fees keep more. Tiny today, massive over decades. Avoid guarantees and hype. Stick with reputable firms and simple ETFs. Let's make it real. One example plan to learn by doing. $40 into an S&P 500 ETF. $30 into a company you believe in. $20 to a Robo-Advisor, $10 cash. If the market returns 1.8%, your slices rise accordingly. More important than returns? You're learning. You've learned more than most, but knowledge without action is useless. Your rich life starts today. Start smart, start small. Open an account, put money in, buy a simple diversified investment, and automate. Or set a $10 weekly transfer right now. Label it My Investment Fund. Take your $100 in 10 minutes and become an investor.